Hello, guys. Welcome to the English edition of Excel Data and Finance, Part 1. We are going to explain the case of John's retirement illustrated in the video above in the Spanish version. We are going to advise John to make his retirement plan, assuming that he has a family and that he wants to leave them a significant inheritance in case he dies. The plan consists of a series of deposits for 15 years derived from a percentage that he sets aside from his annual salary, which will generate an interest rate of 7.5% at the end of each year and so on. Okay, guys, here we have John's retirement plan illustrated in Excel. Here we're going to work with some hypothetical data for the purposes of explaining this person's retirement. On the upper left side, we have established the financial variables on which the retirement plan is based. Once we have the financial parameters, we can start building the retirement plan. Okay, we have the table ready and the inheritance that will go to John's family after having made deposits at an interest rate of 7.5% annually for 15 years and having made annual withdrawals of 12,000 for 10 years. The remaining net savings will be more than $1.5 million US dollars. Do you want some private Excel classes? Scan the QR code or click on any of the links in my channel profile to get connected. Remember that you have a 15% discount on your first session and a first meeting at no cost. Bye bye. See you next video.